yet 1 year after the grand opening back in July. So AFC Malaysia, Sunway Velocity, it's the first office lah, the small one, the old one. But we will move to Bangsa South. This is our founder. His name is Ernest Prayuda. He already have a career in America for 15 years, but eventually, after his wife dreamed that to make a huge opportunity for Indonesia, to light a candle in Indonesia. That's why they come home to open this huge employment opportunity. That's why AFC, for the first time after 8 countries, it's become MLM, become direct selling, because it's create the biggest, I think, employment with high quality product, of course. And then this is our co-founder, Michael Pampi. He is very well known in Indonesia in business industry. And then this is our medical expert, and he's actually already registered and well known also in multinational company, for example in Unilever 2018, and then WHO, PAUD, and then World Vision International, and so on and so on and so on. He is our medical expert up until now from 2018, and he also commonly become a speaker in Zoom, in our national Zoom, in Saturday evening. If you want to join the medical expert Zoom, you can also join in every Saturday evening around 4 p.m. That one is only medical expert. There is no explanation about business. There is no explanation about company. It just break down disease, break down ingredients, something like that. So, of course, we are talking about AFC product. So, the first one is SOP Subarasi. This is already the second gen. And then the third gen will come at 29 March. We will grand launching in Malaysia. SOP Subarasi Gold. It's the third gen. So, the first gen is SOP 100 Plus. And then SOP Subarasi. And then the third gen will be SOP Subarasi Gold. So, I don't know the rumor in Malaysia, but in Indonesia back then, everyone know that placenta, human placenta, you can consume and it brings a very good benefit for your body. But because Indonesia is a Muslim country, so it's considered barbar and they put it's haram. So that's why in Indonesia, it's so hard even to only store this, for example, your baby placenta, we need to store in some company, and only a few company you can access in Indonesia because still taboo. And then this is the amino acid comparison with deer placenta and human placenta. Actually, SOP, we call it marine placenta, but it's not really marine placenta. We call it like that because it's come from salmon, but fish doesn't have placenta. So we just name it marine placenta, but it's not really placenta because it's fish. Only mammals can have placenta. So the first main ingredient, the first 3 peptide inside the AFC Subarasi is salmon ovary peptide. That's why SOP came from. And then the sardine peptide, and then the fruit flow, or we call it vegan peptide. And then this is all the pattern. It's come from Japan. That's why it's the code at the front is JP 3946238. You can just Google it because this one is published, but I know some of you already text me. Can I have the journal? Can I have the medical press release? It's not open for public, but if you really want, you can just Google this pattern and then they will show you some of the data only. You cannot access the full data. So this is mainly the best ingredient inside SOP Subarasi, and there is so many more, but we only take the best because otherwise we will have a lot of ingredient over here. So the first one is marine placenta, or actually a salmon ovary peptide, and then the sardine peptide, fruit flow vegan peptide, and then pearl barley, and then vitamin C, 3 calcium phosphate. And then Subarasi is history at AFC Japan, because during these 56 years, AFC has never collaborated with other country in the manufacturing product, which means this is the first time they invite scientists from UK actually who found the vegan peptide, and they combine in SOP Subarasi. This is done because one of the ingredients Subarasi won the award one of the most innovative product of the year, and it granted in 2012. And then this SOP Subarasi come in Indonesia around 2021. Because to get the patent, you need at least the fastest is 5 years. At least that's the fastest to get the patent grant. I mean the patent for the function of the ingredient. They already get it from 2012. And then already claim authorized in Europe Union. Okay, this is some journal, and I don't have any medical expertise background, so I will skip all the journal or medical journal because I don't want to overstep my area. This is certificate. Of course, there is certificate organic. And in Japan, if you are a big pharma or even small pharma, if you are the chemical one, you need to separate your factory with the organic one. And AFC only have organic pharma, so they don't have any chemical. Hormone GMO free, of course, because salmon after they hatch from the egg, they just swim away to ocean, so you can't really hormone the salmon like chicken. Chicken you can hormone it, so they grow faster, they grow bigger. And then certificate free sales, and of course nuclear radiation free, because it's Japan, it's always get test for nuclear radiation free. And SOP Subarasi already get award, quality award, bronze quality award in Monday selection in Europe. And then world's only salmon placenta tap into Asia halal anti-aging market. The second product, it's Utsukushi. Utsukushi already gold. So later in 29 March, you will have gold Utsukushi, gold Subarasi. So actually this one came, so the SOP came from the female one. This one came from the male one. It's the salmon mild DNA. And another 11 active ingredient. But the size already nano size Dalton, so it's easy to absorb even through veins. So in SOP Subarasi, we have 4 patents, but this one we have 8 patents in Utsukushi. Some of the patent you can just Google it. I will read it one time, but please don't ask me about this patent because it's not my expertise. Anti-tumor agent, immune active effect, therapeutic agent on hepatitis C, infection protective agent, suppression of growth tumor, reduce the side effect of anti-cancer drug or chemotherapy, radiation, something like that. Prevent, treat, cure infection of SARS, protective action against toxicity of reactive oxygen and toxic reducer. Utsukushi also came from triple probiotics, so it's this is about the probiotic. And then garlic this is the 7 main ingredient, the black garlic extract. Oh, the name is Kuro Niniku. And then salmon DNA, and then Takara Kombu Fukoidan. This is seaweed extract. So actually, Takara Kombu Fukoidan is well known in Japan. If you get cancer in Japan or tumor in Japan, government will suggest you to find this, or they give you this. And then the probiotic, this one is the probiotic, and then kiwi seed is extract, and then resveratrol, it's grape skin. And then this is the journal. I'm sorry, I need to skip the journal also. And this is the third one. The third product is Hikari. So this product is actually very special because it's only focusing on brain and eyes. That's why Hikari also works to special kids, special need. For example, for ADHD, autism, speech delay, sensory processing disorder, Alzheimer. This one for elderly, Alzheimer, dementia, near sight, far sight, eye and brain inflammation, dry eyes, cataract symptom. So the common problem is for eyes, brain, and children with special needs. The very famous triple vegan peptide we have in Hikari is marigold peptide, spearmint peptide, and mangoli peptide. And this one, the size already even 400 Dalton. Before, Utsukushi is 800. This one is 400. And then this is all the berry, and then L-cysteine, inulin, and then the triple strong peptide we have in Hikari also explained here. Hikari patent. You can also Google this one, but mostly it's come from US patent. You can see US. Everything is about eyes and brain. This is neurogenesis. Is the most famous one lah, neurogenesis. And then this is the letter of authorization. It's actually, this one is the temporary one. But last time when all our management go to factory visit, our founder, Mr. Ernest, just signed another letter with the scientists, AFC scientists. It made the contract for life. The contract is for life, so no one can ever use his legacy in another company because AFC already have that for life. That's the new contract, but we didn't show it yet. I don't think they have the picture yet. And then already lab tested for safety, natural, GMP, organic, halal, of course halal, but Jakin is coming soon. Right now we are using the Indonesia halal MUI. And we also have Nippon halal. Nippon halal is actually approved by so many countries. So if you have a friend and family out there who really need the halal sign or the halal certificate, yeah, you can access through me. Just text me, I will send you the halal. And then this is in 2021, AFC Indonesia won the first top sales worldwide for from EFC. And then this is our association for direct selling in Indonesia. We actually won the best selling product in 2020. And then this is Helmi Atamimi Award. We got 2 awards for 2022, Member Growth of the Year, and then Product of the Year. And then at 2024, we got 4 awards, CEO of the Year, MLM of the Year, Member Growth of the Year, Best Selling Product of the Year. And 2026, we got 5 last time. Just last night, we just have it. And then this is the Muri record. It's like world record, but only in Indonesia. So you can see the record Indonesia. This is the first grand launching on top of the cruise with the most participant. And then importer company who send the product with plane the most in 1 week. And then giving out bonus the most in 1 day in Indonesia. for direct selling company, and then create the most event in 1 year for direct selling company, and then the most selling product in 1 day for direct selling company. That's the last one, the most. That time we sell like 30,000 box. And then AFC Japan just gave us new research lab only for focusing on AFC Indonesia product for Indonesia. That time only Indonesia open in 2021. So also AFC in Singapore actually have won #1 brand in Unity for 10 consecutive years. So from 2010 till 2020. It already exists in several countries, for example, in Japan, Singapore, Korea, Thailand, and so on. But to work together, partnership with AFC, you need to put 3 million ringgit. But direct selling, you just need only not even 1% of it. You just need to spend in ringgit 7,200 ringgit. You can get hello, sorry. Can you hear me? It's disconnect my internet. Please text if you can hear me. Type anything. Can Pak? Okay. Thank you. And now it has been present in Indonesia for only now working 9 years. We can all have it for free just by the product. It's like you going to KFC, you buy 2 chicken, you got the partnership with KFC. But in AFC, you need to buy 2 boxes at least. Or in some special case, you just need to buy 1 boxes and you become our partner. And you can use our name. So we come up to marketing plan. So to buy, to join AFC, to buy the partnership, you just need to spend the minimum is 1,200 ringgit for buying 2 boxes. You can choose the box and you can consume the box. So it's actually free. After you consume, it's free. After you buy 2 boxes, you become Ruby. So this red one is Ruby. And then if you buy 6 boxes, or we call it 3 packets, it's up to you. There is three kind of product that I already explained before. You just need to choose anything as you wish, and then you will become our member with Sapphire bonus. Later I will explain the bonus after this slide. And then the most expensive one you can buy is diamond package. How about if you want to buy 20 boxes? You need to buy the 12 one first, and then you will create another account to buy the rest 8 boxes. So please don't buy everything in one account because we only have maximum for 12 boxes in one account. So that's only the level of the bonus you can get. The bonus alone, it's split into 3 bonus. First one is the daily bonus. It will split again into 3 bonus. I will explain later. And then the second one, monthly bonus. And then the third one is yearly bonus. So the daily bonus first. We have 3. Sponsor bonus, pasak bonus, and team bonus. Actually, for diamond, you can have 3. But if you are not diamond, you can only have 2. The pasak bonus is only belong to diamond. Okay, wait. Okay, I need to explain here. So if you see, for example, this one, if you are buying 1 until 5 boxes, you will become Ruby. So even if you buy 5 boxes, you are Ruby. So it's better you buy 6 boxes because you will become Sapphire. So for 1 until 5, we call it Ruby. For Ruby, if you are, for example, me, and then my mother want to try this product, want to buy 2 boxes from me, okay? Tomorrow, after she bought these 2 products, I will get 90 ringgit in total. What do I mean in total? I will explain later at behind, but in total I will get 90 ringgit. Okay? How about if someone want to buy the 6 boxes, which means 3 packets. So I will times 3. The 90 ringgit times 3 is 270 ringgit. If someone buy 6 boxes from me, how about 12? Yeah, you just multiply by 2. Okay? And I will not explain the blue one because it's the middle one and it's very few people stand in Sapphire. So I think I will skip, just go to explain the diamond. Before, if I was Ruby, when my mom buy from me, I will only get 90 ringgit. For the bonus sponsor, for diamond, if someone buy 2 boxes from me, my mother buy 2 boxes from me, tomorrow I will get in total 165 ringgit. So it's almost 2 times the ruby. How about if someone want to buy 12 boxes like me? Because I'm diamond, I already bought 12 boxes. But if someone just saying my good friend tell me, I want to try the product that you drink last time. It seems you get healthier, for example. And then he will ask me, how many you buy before when you did buy? I will tell him I bought 12 boxes. So usually our friend, our relative will follow our path. When we join Ruby, it's almost impossible. They will say, okay, if you buy 2, I will buy 12. It's barely happen like that. The most common thing, we will follow our relative or the one that we trust. If he buy 12, then we also buy 12. Why not, right? Because we already trust him. And then my friend will buy 12 for me. I will get tomorrow in total, 990 ringgit. It will be paid tomorrow. So only 1 day. That's why this is daily bonus. And then the second bonus. This is the second bonus should be the bonus pass-up, but we will skip it later because bonus pass-up only belongs to diamond. Okay, this is team bonus. What is team bonus? Team bonus is like this. For example, I have Andy. I sponsor Andy in my team. And Andy is on my right team. And then the second one is Budi. Budi is in my left team. And then I'm going to holiday with my family for 1 week. Just say I'm going to US. Okay, I go inside jungle in Amazon. There is no internet over there. Andy and Budi, he's doing sponsor because they are doing business. Andy doing AFC business, Budi doing AFC business. When they sponsor a new guy, it doesn't matter I have internet or not. It doesn't matter I sponsor someone or not. I will get this team bonus. That's why binary or two-way team, that's the most benefit one to work or to do the direct selling or to do the MLM. Because you don't have to work alone. Even if you're having holiday with your family, your bonus still there. Because your team is working. So it's like that. For Ruby, each bonus package. For example, Andy closing 2 boxes and then Budi closing 2 boxes. This Ruby, for example, I am Ruby, I will get 1 times 45 ringgit. So Andy and Budi, if they sell 2 boxes each in the same day, tomorrow I will get 1 times 45 ringgit. How about if Andy only managed to sell 2 boxes? How about if Budi can't sell any boxes today? Then I will have a deposit store in my right team 2 boxes omset. When tomorrow Budi have sponsor 2 boxes, then I will get this 45 ringgit bonus the day after. So don't worry, there is no flashing out in EFC. But if you are Ruby, we will flash out when you have more than 10 times the team bonus. For example, Andy managed to sell 24 boxes. Okay? And then Budi managed to sell 26 boxes. Which means this is happen 12 time team bonus. I will get 10 times 45. So I will only get 450 ringgit. What about the rest 2 team bonus happen? It will multiple by 0. Because you are only ruby. But it's different with sapphire and diamond. For sapphire, he can eat up until 60 team bonus per day. And then for diamond, it can eat until 200. So 200 per day. What about if the diamond managed to achieve 1,000 team bonus, 1,000 time team bonus? The rest 800 will go to company, back to company, because we will multiply by 0. That's the only plus happen in EFC. So the potential income for Ruby per month maximum from team bonus, only from team bonus. It's not include the sponsor or unit level or the annual rank. So only from team bonus potentially Ruby can get 13,500 ringgit. 13,500 ringgit. For Sapphire, 63,000 per month. And then for Diamond, 200,000 per month. And then this is the monthly bonus. It's the unit level. Okay. This is the, if you manage to pay attention before I said total. Every bonus I said in total. Because the only cash you can get is 80% from your bonus. So for example, before I said 90 ringgit, right? So the 90 ringgit you can only manage to take out to become cash is 72 ringgit you can take out from the 90 ringgit. Because the rest 20% will be stored in your apps. What is it for? You can redeem beauty product, for example, like this. But for right now, it's not yet ready in Malaysia, but we can manage to ship it to you. But you will pay the shipping fee, but it's not that much. So you can just put together all team and then text me, then I will help you to redeem it. Okay, this one is the monthly bonus for calculating the monthly bonus. In total, 5 total downline generation bonus potential, you get 100 ringgit. And there is level 1, level 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. In 10, you can eat up until 9 million people, 9 million of your downline, which potentially giving you around 105 million ringgit per month. This one is per month. Yearly bonus is annual rank. We are close annual rank every mid-November, 15 November. Mega bonus. Yeah, in Malaysia, we call it mega bonus. This is Toreda. So the team bonus that you paying attention before, that Ruby only can eat up until 10. So actually, the system will count your team bonus happen in that one annual rank. So from 16 November until 15 November next year, the system will calculate and store how many did you get. So if you get already like 101 team bonus, you already become Toreda. Even from the 100, you already become Toreda. When you reach 500, you will become Ronin. And then 1,000, you will get Samurai. And then 5,000, you will become Shogun. And this money up underneath the rank name for Toreda 1,500 ringgit. This one is extra bonus you will get. So after they are closing up in 15 November, the system will start to spread the annual rank bonus. I'm sure some leader already get this one time, at least last November. And then Daimyo already reached 472,500 ringgit. And then for Bushido, I will call 1 million ringgit. It's almost 1 million. Let's just need to add up more 100,000 ringgit. It become 1 million ringgit for Bushido. And for Bushido, we already have 15 Bushido. Daimyo, we have almost dozen, I think. All combined. We have Daimyo in Malaysia, but for Bushido, not yet. Hopefully next year. I think Mr. Tang is here. Mr. Yang, Mr. Tang next year should be Bushido. Hopefully with the neo, and then we will have Bushido. And then the last one, YAFC. First, this is about the company. First, this is Japanese pharmaceutical, because many direct selling company, many MLM company is not pharma company, but our company AFC is pharmaceutical company. And then the second one, our product is unique. Our product, even the scientist who found the ingredient, it's bound for life in EFC. That's why there is a request from Malaysia member. They want to make a special arrangement to create a talk show with AFC scientists, and then he want to invite famous doctor in Malaysia. I said it's not really possible because very important scientists in Japan, they are barely get out from Japan because they are a key, they are the key in the company. So that's why it's not even easy to bring him to attend event in Indonesia, to bring him to attend event in Malaysia, because he's very well protected, because he's our main guy. He's the scientist. And then, of course, the bonus, and then the momentum, because it's all about momentum. Right now, Malaysia, we just start. So if you are join now, if you are following the wave will bring you easier step, because the wave is pushing out, and you are also include with the wave. But you need to pay attention with our prohibited to use AFC Life Science full name in any of your medsos, in any of your website. You cannot use it full. What you can use is, for example, my name Gregory. I can use Gregory AFC distributor. Yeah, I can do it. But I cannot use Gregory official AFC Life Science. No, I cannot. I cannot use AFC Life Science Gregory. I cannot, because the full name is there. And because we are direct selling, you cannot sell in Shopee, Ubeli, Lazada, TikTok Shop, PG Mall, Lilong.my, and any direct any apps that your customer can just take out the product directly and do payment. That's forbidden. Even in marketplace in Facebook. I think there is now marketplace in WhatsApp, I think, because it's Meta is bound together, right? So that one you cannot use it, because if we catch you, you are suspended for life. We will not open again. And this is some of the picture, the proof that we are working with the official, because we are Japan company, so we take every step seriously. We don't want to make any wrong move in the future. That's why even in Malaysia, some of you are very stressed out about the tax income number.